guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha, a second year BSc nursing student of Ramaya Institute of Nursing Education and Research. Hope you all are doing well in this pandemic, and today, as you can see from the thumbnail, that I am going to discuss about what does it happen in the practical exam in RGUHS first year BSc nursing. As it's the first time for me to give the model exam, so I wanted that I could share my experience of it to you all. I would be discussing it sequence wise so that it would be easier for you to understand better how the practical exam goes on. So the first thing is reporting to college. After going to hospital, the invigilator will give you one patient. You can choose by yourself too. Okay. Then for the next 15 minutes, you would be asked viva by the teacher in charge. In that viva, you can be asked from anywhere in nursing foundation. You have to get the practical knowledge, clinical application of each and every concept. What are the contents you should include in that care plan? First, baseline data, history collection, socioeconomic status, personal history, after that physical examination, then investigations, medications, nursing process and health education. Now as time is not permitting, in the baseline data you should collect only the basic things: name, age, sex, occupation, family income, and then the diagnosis and the consulting doctor. You can also add in that the date of assessment and the date of admission. You may not add. After the baseline data collection, you should do the history collection. And the history collection includes chief complaints, present history, past history. It should go to the socio-economic status, personal history, and lastly the family history. In the chief complaints, you should only write about the points. Whatever the patient says, you have to write. For example, fever since 1 day, pain since 1 day, like that. No need to write in sentences because you don't have much time. Then in the history of the present illness and the history of the past illness, only the points. How did it happen? Just in a single line. And the history of past illness, whether it's having any diabetes, hypertension, then any kind of surgery that happened before, and that's all. In the socio-economic status, you have to write about the family income, how many members are there, then who is the breadwinner of the family, that's all. And in the personal history, whether he is living in a only pakka house, then you should write whether good water supply, good electricity, etc. Then in the family history, you can either draw the table of the family or the family tree. It's your choice, but you should take less time to complete your care plan. In that 45 minutes, now you have to write about the general assessment. In the general assessment, you have to write about the nutritional status, then what is his height, weight, and you have to find about the BMI and his body build, whether it is moderately built or he is too obese or normal weight. Then comes in this general assessment, fecal assessment, PICKLE. After doing the fecal assessment, you should check thoroughly whether the mental status is good, how is she conscious, etc. After that, you should do the head to foot assessment. In this, it should come from head till the foot. You should observe from outside what are the things that are visible. For example, in the head and the face, anxiety, then in the face, anxiety can appear, etc. After that comes the systemic examination. In the systemic examination, for example, the respiratory system, you have to do the inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation. After that comes the investigation. You have to remember lab values. After that, you should write about the medications. In the medications, you have to write only till action, no side effect, only up to the nursing responsibility. Side effect and contraindication you may not write. Then comes the nursing process. In this, you have to write the high priority, low priority, medium priority, and then you have to prepare 3 tables. You can write it in short too. And this summary and conclusion and bibliography you may not write, and lastly the viva. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.